We are specializing in quality custom redwood fences here in the East Bay area. Traditionally in the redwood industry, we've always had trouble getting quality, consistent supplies. You would buy some wood from one mill, some wood from the other mill, and not all of them would match or look the same.
We look for a supplier that is reliable, that will have the same products day in and day out.
Sequoia Forest Products was started with an idea over 10 years ago, really built by market demand. It was a need that our market needed for fencing and in the redwood basket. One of the key investment criteria that we had to check the box on was understanding log supply and where we were going to get logs for, not just next year, but for the next 10 years, the next 15 years.
One thing that's unique about Green Diamond is we're a sixth-generation family-owned company that was founded in 1890. We manage our forests for the long term. But with Sequoia coming in here, they are focused solely on that small redwood, which we have plenty of and will continue to have plenty of into the future. And so we have a resource here that's going to continue to be available so long as there's demand for it.
The partnership with landowners is mission critical, not only for Sequoia, not only for the landowners, but the downstream supply chain, for the distributor, for the contractor. We need to make sure that we have redwood and people can build their businesses, not around supply this year, not around supply next year, but supply for the next 10 years.
We are cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. We cut fence boards and nothing but fence boards day in and day out for the fence market.
So the partnership with Sequoia is so important for us because they are basically giving us the quality, consistent products that we need every day. We don't have to go out search for things. We can focus on what we're good at, which is building fences every day. They're able to keep a good quality supply for us every day. Quality materials, reliable materials, and on time, on budget.
We're here for the long term, and we want to supply a quality product across the United States.